Characteristics of successful teachers. The concepts, school and teacher are almost as old as human history. The education that started in the family continued in schools, and as a result, the welfare levels of the societies increased thanks to the educated individuals. Farabi, Avicenna, and many other scholars who tackled with the ancient Greek philosophy said that the role of the teacher in education is very important. These scholars stated that the individuals who can expand the students' horizons are teachers. While some teachers may waste a successful student, some teachers may make unsuccessful students successful. No matter how knowledgeable the teacher is, if he or she cannot reach the level of the student, he or she cannot transfer his or her knowledge to the student. The important thing is that the teacher can sink to the student's level. A child who learns to fish will not need to buy fish from someone else. One of the methods that motivates the student to think is a brainstorming method. I believe that successful teachers often use this method. You give a topic and ask students to come up with ideas about the topic. This is a very successful thinking exercise. Students of teachers who frequently use the brainstorming method in their lessons will read the books of different authors to learn different ways of thinking. Then that might become the center of attention of both the teacher and the class thanks to the ideas he produced in the last lesson. So what I'm missing from Ahmed? Why shouldn't I be the center of attention in the next class? Thanks to this impulse, students will prepare and read books. These children are in the period when their personality develops, and it's important to pay attention to these children. The teacher's appreciation of the successful student will motivate other students as well. The point that the teacher should pay attention to here is to ask different students for their opinions in each lesson. If the teacher always chooses the same student, this will demotivate other students. In the meantime, the teacher has to improve himself or herself to examine how logical the students' ideas are. A successful teacher closely follows the innovations and developments related to the course he or she gives. He or she conducts research not only on his or her own branch, but also on subjects related to his or her own branch. At the same time, the teacher who always succeeds as a student by following the works related to education achieves successes. If there's no improvement in the student after the teacher does these, the problem may not be the student but the parents. Therefore, it's important that the teacher is in contact with all parents and has information about their social and economic status. It should be remembered that the teachers are the torches of the earth.